Mumbai, India's external debt rose marginally to $629.1 billion at June in 2023, although the debt-GDP ratio declined, according to a Reserve Bank data released on Thursday. The debt rose by about $4.7 billion from $624.3 billion at March end. The external debt to GDP ratio declined to 18.6% in June 2023 from 18.8% in March 2023, RBI said. Valuation effect due to the appreciation of the US dollar vis-a-vis the major currencies such as yen and SDR amounted to $3.1 billion. US dollar denominated debt remained the largest component of India's external debt, with a share of 54.4% at end June 2023, followed by debt denominated in the Indian rupee, 30.4%, SDR, 5.9%, yen, 5.7%, and the euro, 3.0%. Excluding the valuation effect, external debt would have increased by $7.8 billion instead of $4.7 billion at end June 2023 over end March 2023, the central bank said. According to the data, at end June 2023, long-term debt, with original maturity of above 1 year, was placed at $505.5 billion, recording an increase of $9.6 billion over its level at end of the preceding quarter. The share of short-term debt, with original maturity of up to 1 year, in total external debt declined to 19.6% at end June 2023 from 20.6% at end March 2023. RBI further said outstanding debt of the general government decreased, while non-government debt increased at end June 2023. The share of outstanding debt of non-financial corporations in total external debt was the highest at 39.8%, followed by deposit-taking corporations, except the central bank, 26.6%, general government, 21.1%, and other financial corporations, 7.6%. Further, loans remained the largest component of external debt, with a share of 32.9%, followed by currency and deposits, trade credit and advances, and debt securities. For more